Kicking off day 3 with a lot of stairs. So, come down to the pool this morning to hopefully get a bit better internet access. So, as you can see, got the laptop set up here. Not a bad view. But yeah, the plan for today is we're going on a catamaran from 10 until 3. Semi-private boat tour, so no more than 10 people. But yeah, today's meant to be the best day of the week, so hopefully we'll get some good weather and some not too much chop out there on the water. But yeah, we're just about to have some breakfast, and yeah, we'll be back shortly. We're at the natural hot springs, so got that murky colour from all the sulphur, but yeah, heated by the lava under the ground. Pretty interesting. I'd say it's not too warm, but yeah, you can definitely feel it. At the final stop for some pictures. What do you think of the trip?
It was so much fun.
That's good. Nice. Good colour water. Pretty small group as well. Just about to dock. Back soon. Okay, so we have made it to Naxos. We've been shown around our hotel room, and now we are just exploring the city. I think the plan is not too much on today, but we are going to hire a bike tomorrow and go climb Mount Zeus. But yeah, so far so good. It's a pretty old town compared to Santorini, but lots of eateries, lots to do, very cheap from what we've seen. And yeah, we're really looking forward to it. So yeah, we'll be back shortly. Okay, we're back. So we've just been chilling at the hotel, and now we're going out to dinner to one of the places that we walked past before. And we're back stuck in the sunlight, which is a bit tough because someone has a bit of heat rash. But it is starting to cool off a bit for the night now, so probably an outdoor seat will be good.
What are your thoughts on being told on the other side of the world that you look like the Hemsworth brothers?
Surprising. Very surprising. Alright, first dinner on Naxos. Very impressed. For starters, we had the cheese croquettes and some bread with garlic butter. And for the mains, I had pork stuffed with ham and cheese with vegetables and potato. And Katie had a pork chop, which also came with vegetables and potatoes. And at the end, we got some complimentary watermelon. So, all in all, good start. And now back to the hotel. So, while we had a minute, we thought we would do a bit of a quick room tour at the St. Vlasis Hotel, Naxos. So, here we have the entrance door. Right here, got the bathroom. Just turn the lights on. 1 and 2. Not too bad. And then coming through here, we've got the bedroom and all the items here. Editing the vlogs. Bit of cupboard space here. Mirror over here, and Caitlin's pharmacy. Out here we've got a small balcony. The sun's just setting. Pretty good. So that concludes day 1 in Naxos. I think it's pretty fair to say that we're surprised by how much we like it here. Yeah. Mm-hmm. It's a lot less touristy than Santorini. The food's just as good but cheaper, and Naxos is actually 4 times bigger than Santorini, so we've got a lot more island to explore, which we will be doing tomorrow. So we will see you then.